the 2014 GMC Yukon XL 1500. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 400 horsepower, and load-leveling rear suspension maintains a comfortable ride. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, such as remote keyless entry, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, a blind spot monitoring system, and power seats. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. State-of-the-art amenities, such as memory seats and adjustable pedals, yield a more personal driving experience. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate, no matter how far the drive. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including a security system, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.